Guys, I was playing this game called What Beats Rock. And like literally, bro. I've guessed paper beats rock, and scissors beats paper, nuke beats scissors, bunker beats nuke, bunker buster missile beats bunker, and now the sun beats the bunker buster missile. And look, I'm the very what the flip? Oh, here. I'm the very first person to beat bunker buster missile with the sun. Guys, this is gonna be a move that will act that people have already guessed. Woo! A black hole can swallow sorry, just tiny snap. Gosh, great minds. Oh, thousands. Oh, the thousands. What beats a black? Guys, I have something that beats a black hole. It's because I put a black hole in what beats the sun, so I just put white hole. Like literally, bro. The white hole can do this. White hole beats black hole. White hole is the theoretical opposite of a black hole, spitting out matter instead of sucking it in. It's like the universe way of saying no. USUCK. All right. What beats a? Oh yeah. That's one thing. That's one thing. How do I beat a white hole? Guys, I have the answer to what beats a white hole. Oh, flip, wait. Guys, you know this is gonna beat it, right? This is gonna beat it. Come on. Yup. 4 others. Look, I've become the first to do the sun thing on the, but now there's 4 others. We're getting really close. But I've already did the sun, which was, Yup. So guys, I'm going to keep playing this thing, and when I lose, I'm going to have to restart.